of all, I would like to welcome the CEO of Navis. जैसे कि आपको सबको मालूम है कि unemployment is a very big issue, not only in Tripura but across India. हमारे पास ह्यूमन रिसोर्स है, लेकिन प्लेटफॉर्म्स कम है. जापान एक डेवलप्ड कंट्री है, लेकिन वहाँ का पॉपुलेशन एक एजिंग पॉपुलेशन है और वहाँ में मैन पावर का दरकार है. आज के दिन इफ वी वांट आवर पीपल टू गेट अ बेटर लाइवलीहुड, then there are organizations like Navis, which is working with the government of Meghalaya, government of Assam, government of Mizoram, and now we have signed an MOU with TTADC कि जो हमारे नर्सेज हैं, जो केयर गिवर्स हैं, दे विल बी गिवन ट्रेनिंग इन बैंगलोर, इन लैंग्वेज, इन आफ्टर केयर, और उसके बाद उनको डायरेक्ट प्लेसमेंट दिया जाएगा इन जापान. The salary is also very good and confirmed salaries है, and it's through a proper recognized agency. अब ये जो ट्रेनिंग होगा उसमें भी स्टूडेंट को अभी पे नहीं करना पड़ेगा. जब उनका प्लेसमेंट गारंटीड होगा उसके बाद ही जब उनका सैलरी निकलेगा वहां से एडजस्ट किया जाएगा. We will also from ADC pay 50,000 rupees per student for their training so that our youngsters get a chance to have a better life tomorrow. ये आज जापान के लिए हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, and I'm very happy and I'm very thankful that the CEO ma'am has come. She's herself from Japan. इसमें क्राइटेरिया लैंग्वेज का है, कम्युनिकेशन का है. तो इसमें ये नहीं है कि you have to be a BA pass or a MA pass to get the job. Anyone and everyone can apply, provided they learn basic communication and language skills. जैसे मैंने कहा है कि जापान is a aging population and they require manpower and caregivers. And हमारे नॉर्थ ईस्ट से जो लोग हैं, they will be able to fit in easily with the population in Japan. So I thought this is a very good chance. और अगर आपका सैलरी 1 लाख, 1,50,000, 2 लाख होता है तो आप ही का भविष्य अच्छा होगा. अच्छा, बहुत लोगों को थोड़ा सा हेजिटेशन होगा कि जापान जाकर क्या करेंगे, बैंगलोर जाकर क्या करेंगे, ट्रेनिंग में क्या होगा. उनका अकोमोडेशन हम लोग देखभाल करेंगे, उनका रहना, पढ़ाई सब हम लोग देखभाल करेंगे. एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली आपको एक सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलेगा, आपको एक क्वालिफिकेशन भी मिलेगा. और ये कहीं में लिखा नहीं है कि आपको अगर नौकरी चाहिए तो बाहर में भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिल रहा है. आज मैक्सिमम इकोनॉमी ऑफ पंजाब इज फ्रॉम पंजाबीज हु आर आउटसाइड पंजाब. अगर आप केरला जाएंगे, आप दुबई जाएंगे, अबू धाबी जाएंगे, बहरीन जाएंगे, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द मलयाली पीपल आर doing very well outside and sending money back to Kerala. People are doing very well outside Punjab, sending money back to Punjab. So it is a very good chance. Or I have personally visited the institute in Bangalore. I was surprised to see students from Odisha talking in Japanese. I was surprised to see students from Meghalaya talking in Japanese. I was pleasantly surprised to see people from Assam talking in Japanese. So there is a requirement, and other states have signed a similar MOU, and we have done the same thing. And I'm appealing to all the youngsters. आप अभी young हैं, आपके पास चांस है. Do not be scared to try out something which will help you grow further in life. Youngsters, ये आपका मौका है. So I'm appealing through the media. हम लोग इसका वेबसाइट पे भी निकालेंगे ADC में. And I wanted the CEO to herself come to Tripura and address the media and address the people to say that this is a genuine institute which is already working with different governments in the Northeast. So यही बोलकर I think I've touched on almost all the subjects. I would leave it to you to say something if you would like to say something.
Okay. In Japanese, hi. So yeah, thank you for the opportunity. So I'm really appreciate sir and Tripura Foundation and yeah, so all the Northeast. So actually, so we are sending the young stuff from India, almost 200, 300 people. So 30% we are sending from Northeast 30% as of now. So we want to focus on the bringing youngster from Northeast more and more because Japan needs people. So so we are given the we can introduce this beautiful opportunity. Uh, so that will be helpful for your career and family's life also. Mm. I saw many experience in our student. So they work in Japan 3 years, 5 years. So then they're bringing the transfer the money to their parents. Then they build a beautiful house. So they're settled everything. So I can see their happy face. Yeah. Yeah, so that I want to bring in Tripura. So really looking forward to see who want to work in Japan. Thank you so much.
Any questions? किसी को कुछ any questions